Hello, my name's called Electro-Technology Butterfly Cheetah, and today I'm going to show the kids how to do some science experiments. So, first, we need to fill this cap up with heaps of water until it's up to the top, maybe a little bit more. Done. Until it's up to the top, right like that. And then we put this on, and then we tip it over. Sorry kids, I need to fill it up again, sorry. There. Now. Ta-da! The water is defying gravity. Ready?
Yeah.
Oh dear. Aliens must be real.
And if you want to see more of my videos, subscribe to my videos.
So thank you for watching Electro-Technology Butterfly. Ah! You trickster. You all tricked me. Aliens aren't real. You tricked me.